Lampo, the Puss in Boots.
Milady, Pillow! On guard! The pillow fight starts now!
Your attack doesn't scare us, Lampo.
That's right, milady.
Make way for Flying Meatball!
Kitties, this is bedtime, not pillow fight time. You're right, Izata, but we're not sleepy. You know, kitties, there's a foolproof way to fall asleep. It's called a bedtime story. How about Puss in Boots?
Yeah!
Okay. Once upon a time, in the beautiful kingdom of Catabas.
Wake up, Gas! It's a possum day here in the kingdom of Catabas.
Good morning, my faithful Puss in Boots. Good morning, my feathered fellows. See, I knew it. No one wants to be my friend because of my stink. Oh, I've always dreamed of a life full of adventure. I've always dreamed of being a hero loved by all.
Oh, don't worry, Gas. You're gonna be a great hero because I dubbed thee the Knight of Catabas.
Wow, Possum!
And like any great knight, you're gonna need a horse. Gas, jump on. We'll go to Catabas City, and I promise that by the end of the day, you'll become a cat hero with lots of furry fellas.
Will Gas really become a hero with lots of furry fellows? I don't know, Pilu. Let's find out. And then, after a long journey, Puss in Boots and Gas arrived.
Aha! Here we are in Catabas City. Wait here, Gas. I'm going to announce to everyone that a valiant knight has arrived. Hi, I'm Puss in Boots. Get ready to welcome the Knight of Catabas with much rejoicing.
Hello, Puss in Boots. I'm Meatball, the merchant of cat treats. I'm sorry, but we can't rejoice because not long ago, I was helping my customers choose some cat treats when all of a sudden, the ogre cat emerged from that volcano. The ogre cat lives inside an impregnable fortress and always threatens Catabas City. But worst of all, he can transform into whatever he wants. So we came face to face with a super-duper scary lion. And he started eating all the cat treats. When he left, he took the last bowl of treats with him. Unfortunately, there will never be peace for me or my cat treats.
Don't worry, because the brave Knight of Catabas will free you from the ogre cat forever.
But who is the Knight of Catabas?
He's the bravest knight in the world, and I'm his assistant.
Puss in Boots' journey brought him to an art gallery.
Good morning, my furry fellows. I'm Puss in Boots.
I'm Monsieur La Palette, the artist cat who no longer has his most beautiful work of art.
My name is Milady. La Palette was making a portrait of me.
But while I was painting...
The ogre cat arrived and turned into a ferocious orangutan. The orangutan started spreading panic all around Catabas City.
I had almost finished my painting.
He was a wild tornado. And when he arrived at La Palette's art gallery,
and then he grabbed Milady's portrait and he stole it. Unfortunately, there will never be peace for me or my works of art.
Don't worry, because the brave Knight of Catibas will save you from the Ogre Cat.
Oh,
a knight! Hello? Puss in Boots has an important announcement to make.
Hello, Puss in Boots. I'm Wrench, the stable cat.
And I'm Sir Terry. We were hiding because a catastrophe just happened. Wrench had finished saddling my horse when the Ogre Cat turned into a mad camel!
The Ogre Cat stole all my horses.
And my horse, too!
Wrench, Terry, don't be scared, because you will be saved from the Ogre Cat by the Knight of Catibas! Hooray!
The
Knight of Catibas! Hooray!
Thank you, my furry fellows. So, where's the ogre cat hiding?
Oh, Knight of Catibas! We are all in your paws. You'll save us from the ogre cat, won't you?
Oh, my whiskers!
Don't worry. The Knight of Catibas always knows just what to do. He's just thinking about, his attack plan. Yes, where are you?
Oh, I'm afraid of the ogre cat. I'll never be able to face him.
But I will. I have a magic noodle potion that'll give me the strength of 1,000 cats.
The secret
You stay here where it's safe, Cass. I'll go beat the ogre cat lickety-split. Wait until this cuckoo clock chimes. By then, it'll be time to celebrate our victory! Ogre cat, surrender before it's too late.
you'll be sorry you challenged me, Puss in Boots.
Where'd he go? You're hiding in here. Oh, the missing treasure. So, you're hiding in here.
You can't escape me.
Puss in Boots has surely defeated the ogre cat by now. Oh, my whiskers! Puss in Boots, the ogre cat caught you.
The ogre cat is very strong, but we can win if we use our wits.
Who are you?
He's the legendary Knight of Catibas. He can do possum things. He can do more than you, ogre cat.
Impossible! I can turn into any creature.
Oh, really? Can you turn into a hamster?
Happy now?
I don't know. Can you turn into an alien? Yeah, pretty good. Let's see if you can turn into a hippo mouse.
What does a hippo mouse look like? I gotta do it.
Oh, the castle collapsed!
And I'm free.
I was able to turn into a hippo mouse.
Yes, well done. You've turned into the most incredible creature. But without your magic closet, you won't be able to turn into anything again, Ogre Cat.
Oh, no!
Hooray! The Ogre Cat can't hurt anyone anymore. Here are your cat treats, Meatball.
Huh?
And these are yours.
Hey!
For the Knight of Catabas, who freed us from the Ogre Cat, 3 cheers!
Hooray! Long live the Knight of Catabas! Long live the Knight of Catabas!
So, everyone lived happily ever after in Catabas. Long live the Knight of Catabas. What a possum fairy tale. Gas finally became a hero with lots of furry fellows.
Yes, Pilu, but Izata is sleeping. Did we dream the whole thing?
No, milady. Everyone lived happily ever after. Thanks to Puss in Boots.
Sir Lamp, the great golfer.
Pass me, ball!
Pilu, stop him!
Oh, my whiskers.
How are you going to get past me, Lampo?
I'll pass the ball to Meatball, milady, and then I'll score! Meatball, give me an assist! Take aim, but not with your eyes. Using your cat-like senses is wise!
Lampo, that shot was cat-tastic.
Thanks, Meatball! I knew I would score!
Lampo, the ball of wool is over here.
But if the ball is over there, how did Lampo score?
It's a golf ball. Where did it come from?
It's mine. Give it back.
Since when do you play golf, boss?
Since always. Golf is a refined sport for superior cats, unlike tail-off.
But tail-off is possum!
Hole in one.
Let's go see what's going on.
Winston is playing golf.
Another one. I'm a champion, right, my beloved boss? Make room for Winston, the golf champion. Applause, please.
Huh? Winston? A champion?
Shut it, Buffy losers. Winston and I are top-class golfers.
No, you're a top-class braggart.
I've even set up a tournament to prove how good I am.
A golf tournament? Good. Count me in.
It's a tournament for champions only, and you are not a golf champion.
You're not inviting me because you're afraid to lose.
No, I'm not inviting you because you don't know how to play.
Take it easy, Lampo. When you learn how to play golf, Boss will invite you.
But I already know how to play, milady, and I'll prove it. Meatball, come with me.
Stay out of trouble, Lampo.
Boss didn't invite you. Huh?
Ha! That's why the one going to the tournament will be Sir Lamp, the rooster cat golfer. And meet Paul, his loyal assistant.
Meatball?
I'm gonna have a snack with Lampo.
Boss, the course is all ready for the golf tournament.
Thanks for agreeing to be our referee, Edison. I always play fair.
I'm ready to play. My ball will reach the moon.
It looks like we're all here. I don't see any players apart from Snobbean and Cosmo.
Just 2 challengers showed their faces.
The others were all afraid of you, boss.
All right, let's begin.
Wait a moment, I'm here too.
And you? Who are you?
The name is Sir Lamp, and he is Meatball.
Have we met before?
Impossible. It's my first time playing in this town.
So you clearly don't know Boss, the golf champion.
Oh, my treats!
Make way! A champion needs space.
Boss is already throwing his weight around.
Good thing we came, Pilu. Let's keep an eye on Lampo and make sure no one cheats or plays pranks during the tournament.
Let's begin. Each of you must land your ball on that platform to complete the first challenge.
I'll go first. My shot will be refined and elegant.
Snobbean's ball did not reach the platform.
I'll hit the ball like a rocket. Oh.
Cosmo's ball also did not reach the platform.
Yeah! Woohoo! Come on, boss!
My turn, my turn! Oh, an unbeatable shot.
Boss's ball has landed on the platform.
Great, boss!
It's gonna be hard to do any better.
Oh, one of my treats.
Could it be we met one time at the Trout Treat Open?
A rooster cat only eats corn-flavored treats like this one.
Sir Lamp's ball is landed on the platform, tied with Boss. Sir Lamp and Boss will proceed to the next challenge. Cosmo and Snobbean are eliminated.
My victory is merely postponed, Sir Lamp.
Let's keep playing, boss. This game isn't over yet.
And neither is my snack time.
Second challenge. Reach the hole in the fewest strokes.
Wait till you see this, Meatball.
Make way! I'm going first this time.
Huh?
Blister, Scab, you know what to do.
Don't worry, boss.
Let's keep an eye on them. Hey, where'd they go?
How is that possible?
There's something fishy going on.
Too easy. Sunk the putt.
Possum shot in the cup in 2 strokes.
It's gonna be impossible to beat that.
I'll manage a hole-in-one. No! I was sure that was going to be a hole-in-one.
Oh, that's too bad.
Blister and Scab are cheating!
Milady, we have to tell everyone!
How unfortunate. He's come up short. Sir Lamp already took 2 strokes, so he can't do better than Boss. Now it's time to award our winner for the golf tournament.
Boss!
No! He cheated!
Who said that?
Blister and Scab used a rope to move the hole.
In that case, Boss is disqualified, and I declare Sir Lamp the winner.
Are we really sure the winner is Sir Lamp?
What does Sir Lamp have to say?
I'm sorry, I can't win.
Huh?
Because I wasn't invited.
And I'm just here for the snacks.
I was out of line, but I still proved I was better than you, boss.
Oh, really? Then I challenge you to one more match. Something extremely difficult. Just you and me.
No cheating.
No disguises.
And no treats! Unfortunately, that's the last one.
This challenge has to be the most difficult of all.
We both have to shoot for a hole-in-one.
But the ball has to pass Scratching Post Tower.
Perfect. And we'll both hold our clubs with our tails.
Awesome shot. Great, boss.
Let's see what you can do.
I've never held a club with my tail before.
Lampo, remember your cat-tastic shot playing tail off? Take aim, but not with your eyes.
Using your cat-like senses is wise.
What is he doing? Teeing off with his eyes closed?
Well done, Lampo.
Shut up!
I'm the Golf Cat Champion! But it was your advice that let me win, Meatball. And I already know how to thank you. Ready, Meatball?
You were just lucky last time, Lampo. Are you ready to lose?
Whatever you say. But we're playing treat golf this time.
Nice shot, Lampo. Treat golf is my favorite sport.
Lampo at the Buff Olympics.
Three, four, five. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5.
Hey, Lampo, what are you doing?
Huh? Getting in shape, milady. I'm entering the Buff Olympics.
What is the Buff Cats?
The Buff Olympics is the world's biggest cat sports event, Pilu.
And I'm working as hard as I can. I want to give it my best shot.
Kitties, breakfast is ready.
Breakfast made by Granny Pina.
Enjoy your meal, kitties.
Your springtime isn't bad, Meatball. Why don't you enter the Buff Olympics, too?
Do I get a kitty treats medal for winning?
Come on, Meatball. You always think about food. I have to think about training.
All right, Lampo. We'll help you train.
Awesome idea, milady.
I can help, too. I'll eat your treats.
Thanks, my furry fellows. Let's go over the list of events. First up is the yarn javelin.
Sounds hard. How does it work?
Easy. For distance, you have to spin 3 times before you throw.
Oh, nice shot.
The second event is the kitty litter long jump.
A jump? Want me to show you one from my cat food training? Run, a big leap, and then 3 flips. Like this. Ta-da!
Got it. Let me try.
We need something to mark the starting line.
I run, then leap. event is the toughest one. The Scratching Post Obstacle Course. But without a course to try, I have no way to train.
Stop! You're an athlete now. Oh, you just need intense athletic drills. Come with me. Now, I'll throw you donuts and you'll eat them in midair.
Okay, Meatball. But are you sure this training will help me?
Of course. Ready? Go!
Oops. Maybe I better train with a good book.
Maybe not.
You needed a scratching post to train on, right? Now you have one.
Thanks, m'lady. I'll try it right now. This is easier than I thought, Buffy Cats. Yeah!
Let's make this workout a challenge. Lampo, touch!
Remember, if something throws you off balance...
3 spins before you throw.
That's not what I meant at all.
Olympio, you're the greatest athlete cat in history. What do you think about your competition?
Competition? What competition?
This is Lampo. He's also competing in the Buff Olympics.
Hello, Olympio. May the best cat win.
That'd be me. I always win the Buff Olympics.
Olympio! Olympio!
How rude.
Maybe he's right. He's so much better than I am. Why should I even show up?
What happened to all that energy? You said you wanted to give it your best shot. That's the Buff Olympic spirit.
You're right, Pilu. Thanks. Now I've got training to do.
Come on, Lampo! Run, run, run!
Yeah!
Go, Lampo!
You did it! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Welcome, everyone, to Buff Olympics of this year! Yeah! Applaud now! Kato, a martial arts cat. A big welcome to Lula, ballerina cat. Cheer now for Lampo, guitar player and Buffy Cat singer.
Yeah!
He's almost as fit as I am.
And finally, Olympio, Super Buff Olympics champion.
Olympio! I'm prepared to win, as I always do.
First event is yarn javelin. Okay, 3 spins before you throw. Great shot by Lampo, even better shot by Olympio.
Yeah!
Lola's ball of yarn qualifies with Kato inside. Kato eliminated. Athletes ready for second event. Kitty litter long jump. Too bad. Lola eliminated. Great jump for Olympio! Like every time. Gotta give it my best shot. Awesome! Lampo does better jump than Olympio!
Way to go, Lampo!
Lampo and Olympio tied! Wow, am I pumped! And you did a great job, too! Nice!
So I underestimated you. But that is a mistake I won't make again.
Sure, then final event. Scratching post obstacle course.
I won't let you take my fans.
Ready? Go!
I am the champion, and I will win. And you're a loser.
Lampo, don't give up!
I've got to make it! Yeah, I've got to give it my best shot!
Don't clap for him. I'm the champion. Everyone clap for me.
Gotcha! But I'm not sure how long I can hold on.
Help me, Lampo!
Leave it to me, Olympio. 3 spins before you throw.
Hey, what are you doing?
Olympio flies to finish line.
I won! I won! I won!
You did it, Olympio! Thanks to Lampo, Olympio winner of Buff Olympics this year again!
This is not fair!
Gold medal goes to...
No. Lampo proved himself the better cat in every event. He's the real winner.
That's amazing! Really? Thank you!
Hooray for Lampo! Way to go, Olympio!
Now that's what sportsmanship is all about. What's going on now?
Buffy cats, catch! My new buddy Olympio here was impressed by my athletic training, and I told him it was all thanks to my furry fellows.
So I wanted to meet his excellent coaches.
Coaches? What coaches?
The 3 of you, obviously! Come on, help Olympio with your possum techniques.
Techniques? What techniques?
I'm ready. Where do we start?
I have an idea. What about training our donut-eating techniques?
Huh?
Lampo and the Crazy Race.
Oh!
I could barely hear the drums. You can do more, Pilu.
Do I have to, Lampo? I'm tired.
Make a little effort, and then we can have a snack break, okay? Snack break? Come on, Pilu.
Okie dokie.
Louder, Pilu. I can't hear you. Come on, more energy. Whoa! Okay. A little less would also be fine.
What happened? I don't know, milady.
telling us the answer to the mystery is just outside. We'd better follow them. Let's go, Buffy Cats. Let's find out who's making all this noise.
What an engine! Hear it sing? Now that's a melody. That's harmony.
That's noisy and stinky. Please stop, boss.
Did someone say something? I don't see anyone here. Can't see a thing with all this exhaust.
You're annoying the whole neighborhood. Do you have to drive up and down the street all day?
Of course, because I'm training for the Meow Meow Grand Prix. I've got a race to win, so please, out of my way.
You don't own this street.
Yes, I do. And it's me who will win the race. So if you don't like it, just try to stop me. Enter the race, win it, and I'll stop riding out here.
You know what? It's a deal.
See you at the race. I'm looking forward to teaching you a lesson.
Why did you accept Boss's challenge?
To bring quiet back to the neighborhood, milady. It won't be hard.
Lampo, you never chain.
What's the problem, milady?
You can't ride a bike.
I can learn.
Yes, but there's something else.
Oh, like what?
You don't have a bike.
Then we'll build one. Meatball, stop playing with that.
Become a mechanic in 10 easy lessons. Sure it's a good idea?
Trust me, milady.
What about this? It's left over.
Oh, it's not important. A little piece like that won't make much of a difference. Done! Look at that. A real bike! And all mine! That's not funny. It's a super powerful engine. And it doesn't puff out black smoke like Boss's bike.
So where does all the exhaust go now?
I don't know. Meatball!
I think I know.
Buffy Cats, help! I want to get down!
Oh. Hey, it's raining spare parts. Just what I need for my garage.
Look out below!
Yeah, hey. I've seen plenty of bikes, but that's my first flying one for sure.
Oh, all that work to build it, and now it's junk.
You built it yourself?
Yeah. I wanted to take part in the Meow Meow Grand Prix and beat that show-off boss. But I'll have to give up.
Are you joking? I'm Wrench, the best mechanic cat in town. And if that's your dream, we'll make it come true. There you go. I made some adjustments, and now it's a real bike. Quick setting brakes, cat-like reflexes, and above all, an extraordinary wonder engine.
A wonder engine?
You don't need gas to make it go. This bike needs snacks.
Oh, sandwiches. Sweets. It's got my appetite.
Hey, that's for the bike.
I don't know how to thank you, Wrench.
Win that race. I don't like braggarts like Boss.
I'll do my best.
Then you better hurry. Can you hear the noise of the engines?
The race is gonna start. Quick, Lampo, to the track.
Dear cat friends, welcome to the Meow Meow Grand Prix. All our competitors are at the starting line. Let's welcome the great Boss, the mighty Igor, and the amazing Boom Boom Stuffers. Who is going to win the big race? We'll find out at the end of 10 laps. Anyway, may the best cat win.
That's me. There's still time to withdraw, guys.
Am I still in time to join the race?
Is It's Lampo, cat friends! What a surprise! We have 4 bikes in the race now!
But I'm the one who will cross the finish line. Blister, Scab, get ready to help.
At your beck and call, boss.
On your marks, 3, 2, 1, go!
How dare they pass me? Take them out of the next turn.
What a twist! An oil slick sent the Boom Boom Steppers off track!
You're way too close. I need my space.
Are you okay, Igor? I am okay. But watch out for Boss. He is cheating.
And double punctures knock out Igor! That's just bad luck.
No, Boss's tricks are behind this.
Ugh, him again?
Is this some kind of joke?
Huh. Now that he's distracted, Blister, Scab, stop him!
Where do these come from? Better move them before someone gets hurt.
He did it again! Huh. Let's see if he can deal with this!
That's not fair, you know!
Way to go, Lampo!
Yeah, now it's just the 2 of us, Boss. Wow! What's happening?
Lampo's bike is having problems, and Boss is alone in the lead.
Is the Wonder Engine running out of fuel?
Yeah, and it's hungry.
Pilu, Meatball, find something to eat. Quick!
I think I already know what we need.
Sorry, cat friends. Could you give me all of your sweets? It's for a good cause. Please? Oh, look what I found. Lots of sweets.
Well done, Pilu, but it's not enough. The bike is still hungry.
Granny Pina's noodles will give Lampo's bike superpower. These noodles are so inviting, so tasty, so... I can't look at them. They're too tasty. Oh. I must not smell it. I'll get them there safe and sound. Oh.
Take your time, Lampo. See you at the finish line, but don't make me wait too long.
We need something else. Something like a nice plate of noodles. Perfectly warm and prepared by Granny Pina. You resisted the temptation to eat them? You're a hero, Meatball. A hungry hero.
Lampo is back and catching up. One lap after another. Unbelievable. Last lap. Lampo overtakes Boss.
Hey, what are you doing?
And wins the Meow Meow Grand Prix.
That's not fair. Not right. I had to win.
never take your eyes off the road.
Next time, the cup will be mine!
Boss never gives up, not even on a trike bike.
Yeah, but I think he'll steer clear of motorbikes for a while.
Sir Archibald, Gentle Cat.
Keep it up, puppy cats! Huh?
Lampo, I presume.
Oh, Uncle Archibald, what a nice surprise! Oh, what brings you here?
I just returned from my trip, and I thought I'd stop by.
You picked a perfect day, Uncle Archibald. We're rehearsing for a big concert tonight. A great rock concert.
Lampo, when I was your age, I performed the legendary Mozart. Let me demonstrate, sir. This is called musical scales.
Lampo, he's just playing the same scale. And each time he plays it, it gets more and more boring.
Uncle, my furry fellows and I would like to applaud your playing.
Thank you, Buffy Cats. Thank you.
Come on, let me show you our home, the clubhouse. This used to be an upright base. I turned it into my bed.
What peculiar clutter.
I thought my clutter was cute.
Dear Lampo, you should dress in a more appropriate way. That's not a very refined hat. Ugh. And don't get me started on that shirt.
You're tickling me, Uncle.
Dear me, the situation is worse than I thought.
No, look, it'll tickle Meatball, too.
My stick didn't tickle you, did it?
No, it's making me burp.
No. Lampo, I think it's necessary that I spend the entire day with you. Someone needs to teach you good manners. What do you think?
Of course, Uncle. Don't worry, Buffy Cats. I'll be back before the concert.
Now, Lampo, you'll learn some proper eating habits. This is what civilized cats should eat.
What's inside, Uncle?
The only food fit for civilized cats. Caviar pate.
Yuck!
Don't judge a book by its cover. And sit down properly, like a civilized cat. Develop your sense of smell, Lampo. Can you feel it? All the aromas of the sea are in here.
You're totally right, Uncle.
Now we'll refine your palate. Come on, taste the pate. Lampo, halt! You must use your mouth. A civilized cat always has clean paws.
Lampo, you ready to rehearse with us?
Sorry, Lampo has not finished reviewing his good manners with me yet.
Any ideas to save Lampo, Meatball?
Better have a snack and think about it, m'lady.
Match the steps. That's great. Chest out.
Hey, Snobbine! This is my Uncle Archibald. Uncle, this is Snobbine.
That is not how to greet a lady. Watch me. My name is Archibald. Archibald McArchibald, and it's my pleasure to meet you, madam.
How gallant, Mr. Archibald. You are a true gentle cat. See you tonight, Lampo.
Now, Lampo, I want you to greet all your friends we meet today just like that.
All right, Uncle. Uh-oh.
Is that a friend of yours?
Doesn't look like, I don't know.
Hi, Lampo.
Clearly he's your friend.
Hi, Gas. Uncle, I just remembered I left something at the clubhouse.
Greet your friend as a civilized cat would do.
Hi.
Hey there. I'm really happy to see you, my dear friend.
Lampo, are you okay? It's just me, Gas, the stinky cat. Oh, that was a weird way to say hello.
We have so much work to do.
All right. See you at tonight's concert.
Pilu, aren't you hungry?
Still no sign of Lampo.
What good is rehearsing if Lampo's nowhere to be found? It's almost time for the concert.
He needs to practice his big entrance again, or we'll have to change the opening of the concert.
Milady, speaking of changes...
Good, Lampo. You're making some progress at last.
Lampo has completely changed.
I can't believe it, Pilu.
Let's go, Milady. Lampo's heading inside the clubhouse with his uncle.
Quick, Meatball!
Excuse me, Uncle Archibald. I must discuss some important music business.
Huh?
Don't worry, Buffy Cats. I'm just trying to impress my Uncle Archibald.
Yeah, but we don't even recognize you like this.
We like you the way you are. Why change just for him?
Lampo, remember, whispering is not good manners. Show your friends that you are prepared for the concert. Lampo, what are you doing?
I can't say anything.
You see, this is not how a civilized cat should perform. Lampo, every move you make has to be up to the refined cat you are now.
Where are our instruments?
I replaced them, Pilu, to impress Uncle Archibald.
Lampo, we have no experience playing these instruments.
Buffy Cats, we're musicians. We can play anything.
Tonight, we'll be performing some music by the legendary Mozart.
But I don't know how to play Mozart.
Don't worry, Buffy Cats. We can do it.
At least I can use the piano as a table for my snacks.
Such a disappointment.
Just a little sip. I love this super duper crazy triple carbonated orange soda.
That isn't Mozart.
Meatball, behave as a civilized cat. Can you hear that sweet melody? Keep playing.
Just another little sip.
Lampo, do we have to keep playing? The audience doesn't like this music. Let's run away, Pilu!
I don't understand why this audience doesn't appreciate such a wonder.
Lampo, we need you back to normal. And we need our old instruments back, too.
Right, milady. Time to save this concert. Buffy Cats, I'll show Uncle Archibald that I'm good even without this bow tie.
Lampo, I'm sorry for making you change your behavior. Your friends seem to love you just the way you are.
And I'm sorry I'll never live up to your example.
Don't feel bad. Having a nephew like you makes me really proud.
Uncle, you want to play us some of the legendary Mozart?
Of course. But in a rock and roll style.
Uncle Archibald, you may be a gentle cat on the outside, but your heart beats with rock and roll! Subscribe to the channel!